ExxonMobil crushed Q2 production records, but profits plunged. Here's why investors shouldn't cheer. Hey, I'm Jake from TickerWhispers. ExxonMobil just reported earnings and I sat through the entire call, so you don't have to. I'm cutting through all the corporate speak to give you the key numbers, what management actually said, and the facts that matter. No fluff, no spin, just what happened. Remember, I'm just summarizing the facts here, not giving financial advice. Always do your own research. First up, Exxon's net income fell from around $9.2 billion last year to about $7.1 billion, a drop of nearly 23%, even though earnings per share came in at $1.64, slightly above the $1.56 forecast. That's a classic beat despite bad headlines. Next, production hit a post-merger record. 4.6 million barrels of oil equivalent per day, led by its advantaged Permian Basin asset and Guyana's Stabroek Block. That output offset price pressure from increased global supply and trade tensions. They also mentioned free cash flow of roughly $5.4 billion and operating cash flow of $11.5 billion, fueling a massive $9.2 billion return to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. They're still on track to repurchase $20 billion in shares this year. One more thing worth noting. CEO Darren Woods emphasized they aren't chasing cheap volume deals. He said, "We're not interested in buying volume. We're interested in building value," referencing their $60 billion Pioneer acquisition and cautioning against merger plays lacking shareholder return. Here's the kicker. Despite strong fundamentals, Exxon's stock dipped after hours. Investors seem cautious about lower oil prices, cracking margins, and global demand headwinds. Exxon delivered on production and cash return, but profit compression is real. Watch oil price trends and whether their cost-saving efficiencies can keep margins intact next quarter. And that's a wrap for this quarter. Keep an eye out for our next TickerWhispers earnings recap. Please like and follow for more earnings call breakdowns. And if there's a ticker you want covered, drop it in the comments. What do you think Exxon's next quarter will look like?